Hey, it's CarExamer, right? Behind me is the Porsche 911 2RS vehicle, right? We do car inspections. That's a racing car, but we can help you find a great sports car, right? So we have a packages for sports cars. We will go through it and we'll help you to find a great car, a sports car, right? And so we'll give you all the information, we'll check everything for you, you know, so you have the right opinion, the right information, because information is power. Because when you do buy cars for 60, 80, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and so on, even replacing tires, you know how much it is. You know, replacing brake pads, you know how much it is.
Sports cars. The 911 Speedster.
Replacing exhaust, you know how much it is. Replacing the windscreen, you know how much it is. Doing a basic service, you know how much it is. Replacing timing belt, you know, we'll give you a figure. It could be a $5,000, you know. So for those vehicles, not even really getting into the details too much about how important it is to make sure they have the real service history and the real service records if everything has been carried out. Because if you buy the car you like, you love, something expensive, and where the price tag matters, because anything you're gonna touch on those vehicles, if you don't want a Mickey Mouse garage to touch something which you love and adore, right, will cost you a lot of money. As you know, any car you're gonna buy, a car comes with any smaller price tag or bigger price tag, because at the end of the day it's just a car, but some cars needs a special attention, you know, and you can't really play risk with something where the prices would make a big dent in your pocket, you know. And that's why every little detail on those cars is really important, you know, and which can leave you a big surprise. So we can help you with that, to give attention to detail, you know, what you deserve, you know, to check what it is. Does the car has everything what it needs to have? Does it have the real service history? Does it actually have the service history? Does everything has been carried out? And then we can inspect the vehicle. And obviously you will have to add your input, searching the vehicle, phoning the dealers, and checking things out. We can help you with that. We can help you with the guidance and so on and so on. We can do a special service for you to manage those things as well for you. Is for the additional cost to run around for you, finding out this information from dealers and helping you out on that. So, CarExamer, sport cars, finding you a great sports car, finding you a car you love, car you can be proud of, even something like that. You know, we can arrange everything for you, anything you want. We can't say no, because we are crazy about cars. You know, our priority is you are happy what you have, you are happy what you're checking, finding, and our job is to make sure the car what you're having has the right documentation, right service history, and you feel comfortable, we feel comfortable what it is. And if we don't feel comfortable, then we will advise it needs some sort of further, deeper investigation, and we will refer that. And then once that is done, then there's a green light and you roll, you rock and roll, you know. Sometimes it takes longer, but at least when the green light is on, you go for it, because emotions sometimes can kill you, you know. Sometimes rather you put a brake on emotion, take a right action, and then roll, you know. That's how you do it. Take care of the carexamercom.